Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a healthy day. And today I want to talk with you about a very cool eye massager. If you're one that has fatigue issues, headaches, trying to get a better night's sleep, then you may want to learn more about this product and consider it for you. This was sent to me to review, to experience. I've had a chance over the past week to use it every day to experience it. So I look forward to sharing that with you. I will put a link in the description where you can click on the link, read other reviews, ask questions, and of course order it. Reviews are just coming in, so it is a newer product. So I've had an opportunity to test other RENPHO products in the past. Always been impressed with the quality, and this one definitely is well made. It's nice, it's compact, it works. It does have a single sound on here. It makes like a baby tune, which you'll hear. But what's also nice is you can connect it via Bluetooth to your phone, so then you could listen to your favorite sounds or music, whatever you want to listen to. It doesn't get very loud or high def sound, but it's nice while you're using it, and this is massaging your eyes. It uses acupressure when it's massaging around the face. And it's very cool. And they also say that the arm massager stimulates the benefits of acupuncture to improve blood and lymph flow and relieve tired muscles on and near your face. And so I call it acupuncture or acupressure because it's using air pressure around the eyes, around the sides of the pupils, and across the face where the mask sits. As far as the packaging, this is a nice box. Always very nice packaging. It says air pressure, heat compression, music therapy, vibration massage. You've got the micro USB cable, which plugs right into the side there. It takes 2 to 3 hours to charge. Over the past week, I have not gotten any indicator that I need to recharge it, so which is good. Obviously, the more you're going to use it, then we'll need to recharge it. I'm not sure the exact length of battery life, but I have not had an opportunity to need to recharge it. I was looking, I didn't really see any additional information other than it does take that 2 to 3 hours. And so again, this product does fold. It's got a nice kind of leather material. So where the air pressure is on this pad as it sits on your face, and underneath it on the bottom here is where the speaker is. Then you've got this flexible bungee material for the strap for the back of your head, and so you don't want it on your head too tight, or I found I was getting a headache, so I did loosen it up. Very simple to use. You've got 3 buttons here. You've got your power on and off button, and that also changes the mode. And there are 5 different modes. Talk about that. You've got your plus sign, which connects via Bluetooth, also for seeking if you were going to use multiple tunes. And then you've got your volume down, and you can hold that button and it just adjusts. So I'll demonstrate that to you. So as far as the different modes, it uses what they call clear mode, and that is, the motion, the different modes in the way it treats it does the treatment. So we've got clear mode, vitality mode, automatic mode, sleep mode, and beauty care mode. So it goes from anywhere from 5 minutes to 15 minutes. And all but one, the sleep mode does not have that sound with the music sound, which I really don't like. It does say, by the way, when you click on the link, that it has some nature sounds. It does not have nature sounds, so do be aware of that. And as far as the heat compression, I mean, there's definitely compression with the air, but I didn't really feel heat as well. So just some feedback there. So as far as turning it on, you'll start hearing this little baby sound. When I turn it on, you're going to press and hold the power button down.
Careful eye health. From this moment on, clear mode.
From this moment, clear mode. It's interesting what they say. So this is the one noise that it makes that's built in. And then you can see how it's doing the air pressure through here. It's pretty neat. They have it pre-programmed. You can't adjust it. So what you could do is find the mode that you like best and then use it. So that is the first mode. Then you go to press it again for the second mode. Automatic mode, third mode, sleep mode. Now this one is quiet, which I kind of like, and then you just have your massage. Again, you can connect it via Bluetooth, and I'll show you that in a minute. We'll play a sound, and then the last mode. Then to turn it off, and we'll turn it back on in a second, you press and hold.
Eye protection is over.
Eye protection is over. So thank you for your use. So we'll go ahead and turn it on, and I'll put it into the sleep mode right away so we don't have that sound, that baby sound. All right, we're in sleep mode now. It's just doing the air pressure, and we're going to go ahead and connect it via Bluetooth. So when you do initially set up with Bluetooth, because I have it set up on my phone now, you're just going to press and hold it, and then we'll put it back into Bluetooth mode. So for pairing, you hold it, and it will give you an indicator that it's going to pairing mode, but it just connected very quickly. So now let me go ahead and play a sound so you can hear how loud it gets, and you can hear the sound as well of it, of the air pressure moving. So it's pretty interesting, how they've built this with the technology as far as the air pressure going across your face. So that's as loud as it is. I'm on the high volume on my phone. Now, let me go ahead. I'm going to just go back into the sleep mode just so you could see it on my face. All right, it's okay. It's in clear mode. So this is what it looks like on my face. So as of right now, it just went across my eyes. Now it's going across the sides of my head, the air, as it's penetrating right into that area. Now it's massaging over my eyes again. And again, you could listen to relaxing sounds. If you do meditation, you can use meditation. And obviously you could do this sitting up as I'm sitting up, or you could just lay on your bed, whatever works for you. It's not too heavy. Again, you want to have the strap loose and just take advantage. So if you have those symptoms, then this eye mask can work for you. When you're done again, just press and hold the button and it turns it off. So check it out today. Let me know if you have any questions. If you are using any sort of similar eye massager, what's the experience been like for you? And as you have an opportunity to get it, leave any feedback you have. So now that I've had an opportunity to use it, I'm still getting used to using it. If I would have learned about this, would I go out and get it without having to try it? I'm not really sure. I'd be intrigued. But now that I have it, I do like it. I'm going to continue to use it. And what I do like is RENPHO makes a quality product and one brand that I would recommend. Many of you may not be familiar with them, but they make several different types of electronic types of devices, and they have definitely put out nice quality products to the marketplace. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions, everybody. Have a healthy day. Hope this product works for you. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.